Swami Vidyadhananda says in Panchdashi 7:201-202, Bhokta swasyev bhogaya pati jayadi michhati es lokik vrittanta srutya samyak anudita. The enjoyer desires to have a wife and so forth for his own pleasures. This popular notion has been well described in Vedaranyaka Upanishad 245 as mentioned in previous verse 193. भोग्यानाम भोक्तृ शेषत्वा मां भोग्येषु अनिरज्यताम भोक्तरि एव प्रधाने अतो अनुरागम tam viditsati. Objects are for the sake of enjoyer. They should not be loved for their own sake. Since the enjoyer is primary, love should be given to him. Vedantic Upanishad 148 says that etat preya putrat preyo vittat preyo anasmat sarvasmat anantaram yad yo atma. The self is dearer than a son, dearer than wealth, dearer than everything else, and is the innermost. Verse 7203 says, Ya pritir avivekanam visyesu anapayani tvam anu asmartasa me hridyan ma apasaptu. Prahlad prays in Vishnu Puran 12019, let the unending love, which the undiscriminating have for transient objects, be not removed for me, O Lord, but directed towards thee, so that I may have incessant flow of thy remembrance. Acharya Shankara said in Updesh Sahasri 4.5, Dehatma Jnanavat Jnanam, Dehatma Jnanavadhakam, Atmanye Bhavet Yasya, Sonnechanapi Muchite. When a man is as firmly convinced of his identity with Brahman as an ordinary man is convinced of his identity with body, then he is liberated, even if he does not wish for. Verse 7:204-205 says, Iti nyayen sarvasmat, bhoge jatadi viraktadhi, upsanghati tam pritim, bhoktari evam bhutsate. In this way, one should become indifferent to all objects of enjoyment, withdrawing one's love for them, and desire instead to know the enjoyer self. Shrag, Chandan, Vadhu Vastra, Suvarnadi Pamra, or Pramatto Yathatadvat, no Pramadyati Bhoktari. Like a lowly person is focused on garlands, sandal paste, omen, clothes, gold, etc. In the same way, one should not waver in being focused on the enjoyer self. Verse 206, 207, 208 says, Kavi Natak Tarkadi, Mo Bhesati Nirantaram, Vijaygisur Yathatadvat, Mumukshu Swam Vicharye. Man desirous of superiority engages himself in the study of literature, drama, logic, and so forth. Likewise, an aspirant for liberation should discriminate about the nature of the self. जब याग उपासनादि कुर्ते श्रद्धयाय था स्वर्गादि वांछिया तद्वत श्रद्धयात स्वे मुमुक्षिया. A man desirous of heaven repeats the holy formula and performs sacrifices, worship, and so forth with great faith. So should an aspirant for liberation put all his faith in the self. Chitte kagya mitha yogi mahayasena sadhye animadi preps yevam vichityat swam mumukshya. As a yogi devotes himself with perseverance for obtaining concentration of the mind in order to acquire supernatural powers, like making oneself small or great, so should an aspirant for liberation differentiate the body from the self. Patanjali and others speak of 8 main supernatural powers. Powers of becoming small like an atom, becoming light as the wind, getting anything at will, penetrating any object, becoming very big, creating worlds, having a hold over people, and suppressing one's passions. Verse 209 says, Koslani vivardhante tesam abhyas patvat yatha tadvat viveko asya api abhyasad visadayate. As these people, through perseverance, increase their efficiency in their fields. Likewise, the aspirant for liberation, through continuous practice, the idea of separateness of the self from the body becomes stronger.